got a steady job.
I'm not answering that question.
I'm not hanging out.
When Daddy comes, I don't want to see
Have I not done every single thing you asked me to?
I don't want to see
Break
that.
up
One
our
time since I've
family.
been gone.
They said it early.
I even had the homie fix the car.
It's your car.
Feel like I'm
Okay.
stuck
That
in
is not
line,
right.
waiting my
But
turn.
you're the one using it.
All of the
No more
L's I
Renita.
took, the lessons I learned. Success, it gotta
Nobody
be
but you.
I'm not talking about
Tell
that.
me
I
why they
would have been there if I
sleeping
could.
Was
on
it
me.
Daddy?
I'm not calling you a missing daddy. I'm just saying that
I love you, Shay.
Tell me why they
You're
sleeping
in two households.
on me.
What's wrong?
Othello.
Tell me why they sleeping on me.
Oh, boy, do you hear me calling you?
Tell me why they
If you wake up my baby, I'ma get you.
on me.
If I flunk this test, it's gonna be me and you round for round. And why are you skating in the middle of my floor?
But we all born sinners. Take a couple L's if you wanna be a winner. When I think about the beat, it's synonymous with dinner. I've been eating too long, still starving. Sowing seed like I got my own garden. And I'm talking to the king while I'm flipping through James, making sure my cardiac don't harden. Mind your manners, Midwest flow, country grammar, out the slammer, way too free, and I rep my set. Young OG, loves my drug and IOD. Prize my heel by Achilles. Yeah, I mean that it come before the.
She's sleeping. He's upstairs, horsing around. Maybe tomorrow. Really? Trigonometry.
You hate math, though.
Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do.
Yeah. Something you can grow.
This is nice. Even better. He won first place at the spelling bee yesterday. I told him you would have been there, but
You know I would have been there if I could.
I know. His teacher says he's been quiet lately. You should talk to him. I'll let him know you're here.
I want to come home.
Nope.
I'm missing out on my kids. I should be here.
You're where you need to be.
How? I'm carrying two households.
You help.
But I could be doing more.
I can't do this right now, Orlando. I really can't. I'm tired. Kaylani's gonna wake up any minute now. While you're here, I'm gonna go take a nap before she wakes up.
Answer one thing.
No.
Have I not improved? I got a steady job. I'm not hanging out. Have I not done every single thing you've asked me to? I went out one time. One time since I've been gone. I even had the homie fix the car.
It's your car.
But you're the one using it.
Have you seen Renita?
Shay's been a year.
And she's the one you
told me to.
I told you to, Orlando? Really? What kind of
You
dumb,
go out there and mess
stupid...
with...
That doesn't mean you do it, dummy.
I was just trying to be honest. I don't want Renita. I don't want nobody but you. You're the one I love.
I'm the one you love. As you break my heart into 1,000 pieces. You say I love you, as you choose your boys instead of me. As you go to jail when I'm pregnant. As you kill my self-esteem as our son watches me cry. That is not love, Orlando.
Can you forgive me?
I'll update you when I forgive myself. Othello, come downstairs. Your daddy's here for a visit.
Why'd you have to take me for granted? I never meant to hurt you, but you just ran out of chances. I guess I gotta walk away, even when I wanna stay, because you just don't love me the same. I'm still sorry, babe, that I couldn't get through to you. We had something real, but I can't change what you feel. I'm still sorry,
Listen, baby. Was it daddy?
No, listen.
What do you do now? Did he go back to jail?
No, it's not daddy, it's me.
Do you need money?
What?
Mama gave me $10, but you can have it.
No. Baby, mama doesn't need your money, okay? It's very sweet of you. All I need is for your handsome little face to trot up those stairs and get your homework done, okay? Can you do that for me?
And if daddy comes, I don't want to see him.
He's gonna want to see you.
I don't want to see him.
Come in. I said come in. You can't hear or something?
My hands are full. Here.
Thanks. I'll call you later. Today's not a good day.
Where my kids at?
Kehlani's with my mom. O's sleeping. Did you hear what I said?
I just want to set my eyes on her.
Come back tomorrow.
No, I'm here now.
I said he's asleep.
Please don't put my kids in this.
Bye, Orlando.
I'm not going anywhere until I see my son.
No, you'll leave now.
No, I ain't going nowhere. Shay, come here.
Keep your stinking hands off me.
Come here, man. What did I do? I'm giving you space. I've been contributing. We need to start that shit again.
Come back another time, Orlando.
I ain't going anywhere till I see my son.
I said it's not a good day.
Why?
I already told you.
Oh, so you got a nigga upstairs or something?
You sound stupid. What I look like having some random where my kids lay their heads.
Whatever.
He doesn't want to see you. Yeah. It cost us more than just this. You know, he asked me if I needed money. Just a little while ago. 11 years old. He asked me if I needed money.
Do you?
That's not the point. The point is, he shouldn't be worried about that kind of stuff. He's not my man.
I know. Look, if you're telling me that there's zero chance, no hope, then I'll move on. But if you say yes, but it'll only be for the kids, fuck it, I'll be a stand-in my own life. If there's any part of you that has the energy, give this man a chance. Let's do it. Save our family. I used to be afraid. Not anymore. Let's heal the root. Keep it stable. One last time, Shay.
All I see is blessings, got no time for stressing. Don't believe in failures in my life, it's only lessons. They just making room for what I'm on now. I don't got a clue, but I know the one who does know how. Oh wow.
You're not moving in right away.
It's like I'm learning the game with the maker I
We'll take it
already
one day at a time.
know now. Destiny has my name, no it's coming, it'll never go. I know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way. Our way, our way. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way.
It's cool.
I can't say that life's been perfect or complain cause life's been worth it. And all because of who he is working. Only working out for my God. And no more living in that fear, no more tears and no. Oh, he's working me and molding me who he wants me to be.
I know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way. Our way, our way. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way. I can see the blessings, I can feel your presence. Leaning on the change in my heart for your endeavors. I pray I'm your reflection, I fiend for your correction. The cross brought the connection, and through Jesus is perfection. Life done hit me crazy, been more stressed than ever. Living like whatever, through the rain I feel you drawing closer. Lord make me better, take me, shape me, use me, I am yours. Take me, break me for the glory of the Lord. Okay, not only does he hold me when I'm down and feel I'm folding, he my coach when I'm the goat. He never lonely, got that hope in he who holy, holy, holy. Keep that rugged cross all on me, need that spirit to control me. Seek that word to come and mold me, yeah. It's like I can feel the blessings coming my way.